Hey guys, this might be probably the biggest product UAG ever did. And yeah, I really waited for this a long time for my MacBook Pro. I'm just gonna open that package right now for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. Nice and slow. Got my tea there. Ooh, okay. Holy guacamole. So, first I was not really sure about the color, if the color is nice, but as I can see here, actually it looks really nice. Oh yeah, and it feels really nice, guys. Wow, it's a nice grip. So yeah, let's turn it that way so everyone can see it really nice. And that way, I just got this package from Hong Kong. So I haven't seen a review about this product on YouTube or anywhere, and I wasn't sure about the color because it says it's from the plyo series. I don't know how to pronounce it right. Actually, I wanted kind of a more see-through, like transparent color, but this one is like a light darkish gray color. But this picture actually also looks really nice, and this is on the MacBook Pro 16-inch, the silver color, which I also got right next to me here. And yeah, so let's unpack this quick and then put it on my device. But it looks really nice actually. Okay. Alright. Nice. Wow, it does actually looks really nice. Hope you guys can see that. That's actually just transparent here down. There's nothing too fancy about it. Little grip, yeah, that's kind of nice. So like I said, this might be the biggest product UAG ever made. Wow, yeah, it's really nice. Okay, and yeah, just that you know how to install that case. Yeah, it looks really nice. I don't know if I should talk about prices, but actually I got this really cheap because they kind of messed up my order twice. So they gave me not only a 20% discount, they also gave me, I think it was $5 extra discount because of delay. So that was pretty nice. Okay, gonna close like that here. Really awesome. Alright, before I gonna install this, let me quick show you how to clean your Mac proper. Alright, so this is my MacBook right there, and I just wanted to clean it before I put it into the case. And to do that, basically you just only use water. Don't ever use anything else. And we're gonna start with the display right there. So so I just got a t-shirt here. It's 100% cotton, and I just kind of dipped it into water, so it's kind of wet here. And I just gonna remove here carefully the dust and also kind of fingerprints, which are yeah, the fingerprints, which are actually not really my fingerprints, but you know, when you have friends over and then they don't know that it's not a touch one. As you can see here, there was a really big one. Also clean it nice in here. Alright, and now I'm gonna just dip over really slightly here, just like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna shut down that I can see better what's going on. Alright, so now it's the time where I just pull like this, and maybe, as you can see, it's nice and shiny again, just like new. And again, only take water, don't you ever take anything else, because it's gonna ruin the MacBook Pro display. Alright, that looks really nice. Just finishing up some dust here, and now, yeah, it will never get 100%, but that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna do the outside really quick, that it's nice and clean for the case. I'm gonna do the same thing on the side here and also here. Just really quick, actually it wasn't that dirty. Alright, and we are good to go. As you can see, nice and shiny, just how it should be. Nice. Yeah, that's all good. All right. So now let's go and install it really quick here. In order to install it, I didn't clean that case yet, because I think actually it should be clean. And if I go now, then there's too much dust. So I'm just gonna open it up like this, and now open my case and just insert it in this kind of angle here, just like so. Oh, did you hear that satisfying little click sound? It fits really good. Crazy. Alright. So first step, install it, click click. Second step, it's kind of that angle, and yeah, first, oh, that looks actually a little bit too big. Yeah, I clicked it, and that should be it actually. Oh yeah, now it seems like it does fit actually pretty nice. I'm really careful about this. Yeah, but that is actually I can see here it's, yeah, it fits here, right there, and also here. Yeah, so I guess this is that's actually not good. You should always do that at the same time, like that. Oh, okay, now it's in place. Did you hear the click sound? Right now it's locked in place. Alright, and to open it, just like that. Yeah, it's really difficult to find actually a nice case that fits well, but yeah, since I used UAG years before for other products of mine, other notebooks, other phone cases and stuff like that, I decided to try that one out. And yeah, other than that, I didn't want to use another case. And yeah, I was asking for this product actually since 2019 when the MacBook Pro 16-inch came out. And yeah, right now it looks like, yeah, I hope they had some kind of stoppers here so it stops, but it seems like, yeah, seems like pretty sturdy. Yeah, and enough air ventilation here. Got the full access to the ports. Of course, I don't really have to say that, it's kind of, and here actually it goes through that for the heating. Usually I like when it's closed there, but because of thermal heat, they open it like that. So yeah, this is how it looks. I don't know, pretty nice. Of course the MacBook Pro always looks the best if there's nothing else add to it, but this is like for the go. Nice to install, and yeah, nice little grip here, and open, and there it is. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, one more test. Does that little stand of mine also compatible with this? And yeah, it does. Yeah, looking good. You should be careful when you close it that you don't lock in one side first and then the other. Always both sides at the same time, and also both sides like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and give this video a like. Nice colorway, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.